Hi there folks! Do you feel like reorganizing your phone? Here's how to move things on your home screen using the Hable. Make sure you are on your home screen when you get started and navigate to the app you want to move. In this example we will be moving FaceTime.
FaceTime.
Ready for a smartphone shuffle? Let's start with step 1. To get into the editing mode, first hold dots 3 and 8 until you feel a buzz. Some options will pop up. Select Edit Home Screen. VoiceOver will let you know when editing mode is activated.
Edit home screen button. Started editing. FaceTime is editing.
Voila, you've made it into edit mode. Now it's showtime. Step 2. Ready for the grand performance? Hold 7 and press 6, and you'll enter the rotor actions until you hear the magic word, drag, along with the app's name.
Drag FaceTime.
This is your time to shine. Press 7 and 8 together. Now you can navigate until you've found the perfect spot to dip your app into.
Camera is editing.
We're already on to the last step. Once you've placed your app in its new location, hold 7 and press 6 until you hear the words, drop, along with the app's name.
Add to drag session. Drop FaceTime before camera. Drop ready.
Then press 7 and 8 together to complete the action.
Drop complete. Row 1, column 4.
The app is now moved to its new home. To exit editing mode, hold buttons 1, 2 and 5, which is the command for home.
Finished editing.
The last step is to proudly appreciate your newly organized home screen.